tell us about your daily routine. Thank you for asking me that question. पिछले 2 सालों में बहुत कुछ चेंज हो गया since I started following this routine. I quit my job after 10 years and started a personal care brand for men called Environmentally and completed more than 50,000 orders so far. I launched my YouTube channel and started my podcast राहुल को समझ नहीं आता. मेरा कंटेंट का स्टूडियो भी अब तैयार है. Me and my wife brought in our first baby girl to this world. I became a father and it's the best feeling ever. But returning to your question, मेरा हर दिन और डेली रूटीन कुछ ऐसा दिखता है. 5 बजे अलार्म बजते ही I'm up, splash some cold water on my face, brush my teeth, basically move a bit to open my sleep, फिर 1 लीटर गर्म पानी, freshen up, half an hour of meditation and I practice gratitude. 6:30 a.m. I'm in the gym, push, pull, legs, rest. I listen to an audiobook or a podcast while I'm working out and during cardio. 9 a.m. shower, personal care routine, set my beard and hair. Beard थोड़ी लंबी है तो टाइम ज़्यादा लगता है to maintain it. Followed by breakfast with family. 10:30 a.m. I'm in office. I check my mails, respond to any WhatsApp messages, customer queries for Environmentally, scan through the content on social media and respond to them. I usually don't touch my phone before this and all my app notifications are turned off. 11:30 a.m. team meetings, Environmentally, YouTube, podcast to overview progress, plan and hit my weekly monthly targets. 2 p.m. lunch, usually the same things, and to ensure that my diet is in check, I keep on sipping water through the day to complete my 5 liters water intake goal, and I also tend to walk in between my calls to add steps. 5 baje I'm on a walk with the missus to complete my 10,000 steps goal. 7 p.m. and it's family time with parents and our beautiful daughter. 7:30 p.m. dinner. 9:30 p.m. I go to sleep.